Now, text messaging is a little bit different from instant messaging. One way that it's different, of course, is that it is asynchronous, not isosynchronous. So in other words, you don't have to be there. The receiver doesn't have to be there in order to receive the text message. It's like email. Email is also asynchronous. You can send the message, and when the user gets around to looking at it, they can read it. Now, email is not as reliable as we sometimes like. There are times email doesn't get delivered properly or it's slow. Text messaging is much more reliable and is true two-way or full duplex. Email is more half duplex. You can send, you can receive, but not really at the same time. They're completely different conversations, whereas text messaging is considered to be true two-way or full duplex. SMPP, or Short Message Peer-to-Peer Protocol, is the protocol usually used by text messaging. There are others used by other carriers, and of course this is used much more on phones than it is on the computer. Let's contrast it with email a little bit. First of all, it's designed more for phones. It's more reliable. It is true full duplex, as I mentioned earlier. It can validate receipt of the message. Email is not really capable of, there are some tricks we can use, but it can't really validate receipt of the message. It allows polling, so it does have polling capabilities where you can type yes or type no or something. And it is regulated by the industry, whereas email is sort of an unregulated open source protocol.